What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fans girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Okay, today we are here at the WOLFZDEN and we are about to start our workout. We're actually running a little bit late. Hey, Mumsy. She's in the background there. We're running a little bit late, so we're gonna get straight into this vlog.
Once again, family, thank you for all the love, all the support, all the commenting. Everything is just vibey. We love you guys. Honestly, we see all your comments. Unfortunately, our team had lost this week, so congratulations to all you Queensland supporters.
Congrats to all Queensland supporters, you know, but it's okay. Next year, New South all the way. New South is still here. Anyways, let's get into this vlog.
What a sick.
Introduce you to the last coach of WOLFZDEN. He's been away on holiday, but he's here to do our class today.
Hey guys.
This is Sione.
Last one.
Last one for a reason. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go team. So, while Mumsy's just setting up, guys, there's about 7 of us, so we'll cut us up into half-ish. There will be one team of 3, one team of 4. So we'll make it that the 4 girls, ladies go as a team of 4, and then us boys will go as 3s. When we start, guys, we're going to start with 10 count white, 7 for the ladies. So we do all 10, jump off, then the girls jump on to the 7, while we wait for the next movement. Then we do 10 handstand push-ups, or 40-second handstand hold. Just kick up to the wall and hold it for 40 seconds. Then we've got 10-meter handstand walk. I was just telling all of you, if you want to give it a go, you can handstand walk like a quarter of the length and then bear crawl the rest. Or if you can go second line, more than welcome, then bear crawl the rest. Give it a go, it's up to you. Follow that. Again, once that one person gets to the end of the 10 meters, then the next person goes. And then once you get to the bottom end, you're going to reverse 10 toes up or 10 knee raises. Again, once you finish, female goes, then you start the snatch. 5 at 50, nice and relaxed. You can do singles or touch and go. 50 for the guys, 35 for the ladies. Any questions? So what we'll do is we'll set it all up and I'll just give us a few tips on some of the movements before I hit the start button. Let's go. Let's go.
Are you scared? Are you scared? Yes. Okay fam, this is the workout.
That's it.
Let's go, Sione.
Time to go. Let's go. If you're doing it, rest as much as you can over here. Do not rest locked out. Not at the top. Don't rest here. You can if you want, if you've got strong joints to lock out. Here, this is where I will rest. Rest my bum on the wall, I can just sit here all day if you want. Again, when you kick up, shoulders, breathe out. down, down. Again, rest here. Try, if you can, try and keep your fingers forward. That just obviously locks your shoulders in, and you can just try and breathe. Try not to panic. As soon as you panic, the faster your heart beats, the more blood rushes to your head, and you come up and you're like, yeah. So try not to panic when you're upside down. So when you're up there, just try and relax your breathing so that blood flow is consistent. As soon as you panic, this adrenaline goes to your head. So if you're doing the handstand walk, again, it's different to the handstand hold feature. For me, it's bump forward. Bump forward, bump, 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 bump.
Chopper. Nice.
So, however, you need some momentum to carry you forward. So doing this, a lot of you see a lot of people do this. Their hands go, but they've left their body behind. So you need that momentum where your body, your legs will go. Your legs go, then your arms. So you need that momentum. Just bump forward. Your handstand walk capacity is here, that's here. Then you just bare core press. Bare core. To that second to last line, that's your 10-meter mark. Toes to bar, toes to bar. Relax at the bottom when you're in the Superman. Superman is here, head through. Here. So relax here. Kick. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. So again, that Superman here. Tighten up. Kick. Only tip I can give you guys is bring your head back to allow space for your legs to come forward. Breathe out. Kick back. Give yourself that space. Push back. Push back. Push back. Just push back to allow your legs to come. And then the snatches. Last one, we'll go through them together again. Stand up from the bottom. Always important, guys, look up. Look up, stand, elbow, catch. Down. Stand, elbow, catch. Back down. Keep your chest up. Because as soon as you start leaning forward too much, and you're looking from that angle, all your weight shifted forward, you're using your back to try and keep it as close as you can. To your body, as best as you can. Switching. Don't turn it out. boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Nice.
Sis, did we die ugly? Everyone meet Audrey's niece. So cute. And we're leaving. Bye Audrey, thanks for today. Bye Renee. Bye Kobe. Fam, we just linked up with our crew. Subscribe. Okay, let's go. Where's all the shoes?
Okay fam, so I had to put on the hoodie. It's a little bit cold, especially with my wet ass off. We're here at Carl's Jr. Let's go.
So the beef bundle. Ah, oh, can you save the chairs? Okay fam, we are here at Carl's Jr. Honey, happy birthday uncle.
Thank you very much.
And we got the 2 kids here.
Yeah.
Hi. So we're gonna have our dinner here. We finished our workout and then we were like, oh, we'll link up with Willie and Kat and Von and them. We were actually meant to go to the beach, but the weather turned for the worse and now it's so cold. So they were like, let's all just go and eat, and then we were like, okay, because we haven't had dinner yet. But yeah, we are currently here at Carl's Jr. in Altona.
Last time we came it was so nice.
The last time we were here, we came with Renee and Guppy. It was so good. The chicken burgers and the beef burgers. Okay fam, so we just got our food. We got this is a ham breaded chicken fillet sandwich with a cheeseburger. She got the same, we both got the same. Uncle and Tuxx got the big burgers and Willie and the kids just got their meals. Did they get the big burgers? They got the big burgers. I was gonna keep it for ourselves and be like, nah, but then I was like, hey. These fries are so Guys, hit her up, she's single. Okay, but how cute is Carl's Jr.'s bathroom? Like, so clean, number 1. Number 2, what does this button do? That is amazing! What else does it do? Oh. Family, we're gonna end our vlog here. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below. Happy birthday, Uncle November! Please wish him a happy birthday and give him your well wishes down below.
He turned 21 guys, turned 21, so comment down below.
Anyways, TNS family, what should they do? Like, comment, share and subscribe!